We're going into the chocolate factory.
Oh, you didn't get it.
So this is the chocolate factory. We are here. We're gonna taste some chocolate. Everybody is in happy spirits. We're going in. Now we're getting our sample of chocolate, solid chocolate. Thank you.
Anybody else? Everybody put it in. Get your sample.
Uncle Roy's getting his sample. I'm getting my sample. We're getting a sample of the fudge.
Sound good, that's right. One
That's candy cane. Thank you.
Okay, let's see what's going on up here. Yeah, right here. Milk chocolate, vanilla ice. We're gonna get samples.
Now I'm tasting my sample.
Solid chocolate downstairs.
That was good. That was delicious. Now I'm trying my chocolate. I like milk chocolate. Look at that, huh? I like that. I have been a good girl. Thank you for viewing, liking, and commenting.